Hello everyone. So the plan for today was to upgrade my factory horns. These are the standard horns which came with it. It does say on the bracket high and low, but it's just a basic standard horn. I went to the wreckers and I bought these. Cost me about $15 for both. These are out of a Mazda 6. I think it was 2014 model, and it's actually a high and low tone horn, so hopefully it sounds much better than what I have here. Okay, I took the front cover off. I'm gonna take those horns out and replace them with this, and hopefully it sounds much better. I'll probably show you how it sounds, the standard factory ones. Yeah, so it's not great listening to it. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. So this does mark like low tone, but just a factory standard. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, pretty bad sounding. So when I took it off, because written on the I took the brackets as well just in case. Looks like it's a good idea because the wires are on here, that mounts are on there. So what is this? So this one, it's made in France. High alto. I do high, so I'll take probably a high tone. And it says low here, so this is probably going down. Just find a way to put this bracket the same with this. The wire's pretty tight, so if I leave it that way, shouldn't have water going in. And the wire's just enough. Pretty sure it's gonna sound much more better. Yep, that sounds really good. Much more better than what it was from the factory. Alright, I'll put everything back together, and this should be it. I broke one of the clip when I was taking it out. I'll sort it out later. So no tools left here, everything's good. Yeah, just try it one more time. Right, that's another job done. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later in the next video.